So next set, we will be seeing Bird Brain versus Poetiquette. I haven't really seen Poet play a lot. I think I went against him once. But I've definitely seen like Bird Brain's Fox before, and I definitely feel like it has a lot of potential. So I'm looking forward to this matchup.
3, 2, 1, go!
Starting on PC, Fox versus Peach matchup. Okay, both players landing some straight hits, getting some percentage on. Okay, I definitely feel like Bird Brain is feeling himself right now.
He's completely rushing down the beach field.
Yeah. There's no edge guard though. It's pretty hard to edge guard Peach because of all her options like float and a B inside B.
Let's get that back in.
I liked his attempt of delaying his up air, but it was a bit too late. And then everyone else is dying to that.
Yeah.
F smash gonna take the stock, even it up. Oh my, that down smash though. Doing so much damage.
Always lots of damage.
Yeah. Bird Brain sitting at 100%. And the float nair, does that count? Oh, but Bird missing the recovery. Yeah. Bird Brain not looking in a good spot right now. Still playing pretty aggressively though. Definitely feel like both players are just throwing out moves. See what they can get off of it.
Who doesn't get the kill off the up air, but up smash is gonna do it.
Yeah, catches him off guard. Bird Brain taking this back to even. Poet could get something off that grab. Nothing much. Nair going to take it. Poet in a one stock lead. Wow. I can't believe like these Fox up airs are not killing Peach off the top.
Yeah. Especially at such high percents.
Yeah.
I also see Bird Brain doing the jab into up close a lot.
Yeah. Definitely not something I see in like other Foxes at least. Up air from Peach not going to kill. But looking to clean up this game. Oh, no edge guard. There we go. Game one taken by Poet.
What did he hit him with?
I think that was up smash. And it got cancelled by Fox Dare. Like the animation. But he still hit with the hitbox. Going to Yoshi's. I definitely think that this might have not been a great pick, great counter pick, just because like Fox dies off the side really easily, especially like someone like Peach, and plus like the ceiling isn't like favorable for dealing with Fox up air very much. He does have the blast to work with, though. Ooh, patience with the
shield on that down smash.
Yeah. Peach up air going to take the first stock. Poet in the lead. Ooh, that's up air going to kill at 109%. Evening things up. I like the chain grab, not much from the edge guard though.
Almost get that down tilt there.
Yeah. Scary situation to be in that box. Oh, they trade, and it looks like Bird Brain gets the kill. Peach going to take the stock, and it's back to even. Honestly, I definitely feel like both of these players just like throwing things out.
We're playing on the percentage, he might be able to take this one. If it doesn't take too many blunders.
Oh, okay. Poet getting that sweet combo on Bird Brain. Almost finished it out right there. Good thing Bird Brain had the awareness to recover high and avoid the Peach fair.
It's back here there.
Ah, that was nice.
Just misses down there and gets up smashed.
Yeah, Bird Brain calling out the float. Oh, but is this an edge guard? Oh, he misses the nair over the dare. That should be a confirm.
Did he just tech the down tilt?
I think he did.
Damn.
Peach nair going to take the stock though. Last stock situation for both. Bird Brain does seem to be racking up some percent here. The Poet flashing back with the chain grabs into the down smash. Lots of percentage.
Almost hits that forward there.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Back air gonna take it.
Air.
This game's winner is
Poet reversed the situation.
That was really close there.
Yeah, now he's sitting 2-0 against Bird Brain. Definitely think those side blast zones were a problem for him. Wonder which stage he'll counterpick with. Oh, he's going back to the Yoshis.
I mean, yeah, it was more favorable for Bird Brain here.
Yeah. Already sitting at a 100% to 40% deficit. Nair catching him out again. Bird Brain's just been getting copied by these Peach Nairs. Very easy to land. Very long hitbox. Now he's at 80%, only on his second stock.
Poetiquette's speech kind of nice though.
Yeah, he's consistently hitting these nairs and getting these chain grabs. Racking up percent with down smash too. Calling out the fair with the F smash. Oh, the ledge hog is going to get him. Bird Brain sitting at a one stock deficit. Oh no. No, you can't go out like this, Bird Brain.
Bird Brain, hold on. I know this is not favorable for you, but you can't give up just like that.
Yeah. This. Oh no.
Oh, takes
Okay.
that side B there.
Yeah, that was a good tech. Oh, misses the jab, up smash confirm. And then Poet SDs himself too. Forgetting he used his double jump float. Oh no.
Oh no. And
Looks like
Poetiquette
that's the set.
takes the set.
Game's winner is
That's quite unfortunate. I definitely felt like Bird Brain could have taken at least one game.
Yeah.
But that's... Oh well, he'll have to try next tournament.